get a little portion of the 25%. Oh, no. 25% is covered by tomorrow. But you get a portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
He writes it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
In headlines.
Sure, buddy. Cool.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of the three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Emma, that's my favorite. Not because their eyes red as well. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's keys. Speak loudly. Awesome! It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try scoring 3
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys. See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't hear me.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness.
Yeah.
You think? Yeah.
And
I'm not that loud.
Take some along to
Oh, nice hit there. Woo!
Ah.
Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I'm not taking
Good
brother.
on that.
I could probably do. Too bad it's on the food. I was one time trying to do
Mike must come back with
somehow I didn't get it. Oh my goodness, that was like a weak ass throw down at his feet.
No shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton out of the New Jersey. Oh, they had almost Jersey.
Like that. I mean, cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he or me? No, you can go.
Yeah.